Okay, let's take a look at this work of art. It is full of lines, points, and shape. The points being a specific location along a line. So this shape is made up of lots of points that are coming together to form this line. And the line is, you could see it as a definition between what is on either side of it. And this line is coming together to create this shape. Okay, there are large shapes in here and smaller shapes throughout the image. There is a good variety of shapes. You have some larger shapes in here, and this is creating a large shape. Certainly these are large, but you definitely have some smaller shapes that are creating a good variety between large and small. Now, in terms of positive and negative space, you could call this kind of red color here as the empty space or background. There is not a whole lot of negative space. This here looks like it's forming its own shape here, so we wouldn't really call this pink a negative space, but it is mostly filled with positive spaces and positive shapes in the image. Now the focal point is where your eye is led to, what seems to be the pivotal point of the work. And I would have to say that the face of the woman here is probably the focal point. Due to contrast, you see a lot of contrast in shape and size and also in value in the different areas. And so she's very light, and then you see a darker background and the darker glasses and the darker hair. And so it's this contrast in value and shape that is really providing a focal point, along with it's very detailed and sharp in focus. Although there is a bit of contrast in value here, the cat is much more softer focus than the woman's face is. So the use of green is certainly providing some continuity and sameness to the work. And so we're looking for some sameness as a way to provide some harmony. And there's some sameness in the shapes. We have some very curved shapes and you have straight shapes. But there's also a variety that we've discussed. And so it's this combination of variety and harmony. If it's successful, it provides unity in the work.